In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently print multiple invoices at once using batch actions. This is a great way to save time, especially if you have several invoices to manage. Now, let's dive right into the process and make your work life a little bit easier. First, you'll want to navigate over to the sales section on your platform. This is where you'll find all your invoices neatly organized. Locating this area is crucial because that's where we'll be focusing our attention today. Once you've entered the sales section, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the invoices generated. You'll have access to a wealth of information about your sales activities right here, which is not only useful for this task, but also great for a deeper understanding of your business performance. Next, we're going to select multiple invoices. You might see options for individual invoices, perhaps with checkboxes beside each one. Depending on your platform's exact layout, you might also find an option to select all invoices at once if that suits your needs better. Carefully choose the invoices you wish to print. Being meticulous at this stage can help prevent any accidental selections or omissions. Just imagine how much time you'll save by handling these invoices collectively rather than individually. It's like hitting two birds with one stone, or in this case, several invoices with one click. After selecting your desired invoices, it's time to make use of the Batch Actions feature. Somewhere on your interface, you'll find a button or a drop-down labeled Batch Actions. Once you've located it, click to reveal an assortment of tasks that can be performed on multiple items simultaneously. This is where the magic happens, and the reason why batch processing is such a powerful tool. From the list that appears under Batch Actions, look for the Print option and select it. This is going to compile all your selected invoices into a printable format. At this point, if you've followed everything correctly, a print dialog should pop up. It's always a good idea to review all details before proceeding to print. Check for paper size, orientation, and ensure your printer is connected and ready to go. These small checks might sound unnecessary, but they can significantly impact the final output. Once everything looks good, go ahead and print your invoices. And voila, you've just printed multiple invoices using the Batch Actions feature. So there you have it. You've just learned how to manage your invoices more efficiently, saving both time and effort. Hopefully this will make your work process smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.